I began to get an idea, and first with me it's usually just an image that comes and stays, and things begin to accrete around it. It really is almost like building a pearl, only in my case what I manufacture are black pearls rather than white ones. But there's a road, it's overgrown with palms and rhododendron and a lot of foliage, and I started to imagine little dead girls standing on that road, twin dead girls with their hands linked. And the image came from nowhere. It came around dusk, which is a spooky time of day anywhere, but particularly on the coast in Florida. And years went by, literally, and every now and then I would think of what I began to refer to as my girls. And the story of Dew McKee grew up around them. The characters who spoke to me the most strongly were Edgar and Wireman, and I liked the way that they interacted together. And my attitude as a writer is, if something's working, just stand aside and let it work itself out. And that's what I did.